How to fix Instagram messages not sending. So if you're facing this problem, first and foremost, all you have to do is open the Instagram application. So after you have closed your app for a while, you have to try again to send your message. So simply go ahead and search for the person that you want to send a message and try to send it. If it sends, it's fine. If not, follow the following procedures. So first and foremost, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, turn off your Wi-Fi and switch it to your mobile data. If not, turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off and try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And that is the first solution for your problem. If this does not help, now follow the second step. All you have to do is press and hold the application and go to the app info. Tap on Force Stop and OK. Go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache built up. Then go ahead and check for the update of your Instagram. For this, open your Play Store or an App Store. Then search for Instagram. Tap on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, try by uninstalling the application and reinstalling once again. You can also try to reboot your device. For that, press and hold your power button and tap on Restart or Reboot. And those might fix the problem. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.